Okay guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you my Mahindra miniature 1/32 scale collection with a miniature house 1/32 scale. So if you want to buy these models, you can get them from m2all.com. These will cost you 549 rupees and they are value for money because they have lots of features. I am also going to do a giveaway of 3 of these models. So I will let you know all the information of the giveaway at the end of this video. So if you are not already, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and follow me on Instagram at miniature_automobiles. So let's get started. Okay guys, so hope you have enjoyed the video, and I'm also going to do a giveaway of 3 of these models. So if you want to participate in the giveaway, the rules are: first, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. Second, follow me on Instagram at miniature_automobiles. I'll put that link in the description. Third, comment done. And if you want to know more about that miniature house, you can subscribe my second channel, which is Miniature Home. So Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.